Alright, Dracula Blob. Show yourself.
Ah! Ouch! Stupid Des, always trying to get into me in my own harm's way.
Wait. You're not the Dracula Blob, right?
Wait. Dracula? Who's Dracula? Wait. What are you two doing here? Anyway, who are you here for, and why?
Well, you know Blob, right?
No. Why?
He's a Dracula now.
I heard that, but what do you want me to do?
Listen here, Cauliflower Head. If you don't help us get Blob back to normal, we will be burnt by the coronavirus from hell!
Okay. I will help you get your blue pole back, okay? Goodness. But what's yours is in there.
Thank goodness he's gone. Walton?
Yeah?
Please, put your shirt back on.
Oh, sorry about that. There we go.
Would you like some wine?
Do I?